You know the problem with AI video. It looks impressive for 2 seconds, then everything breaks. Plastic skin, melting limbs, weird physics, and fake emotion. You try to make something and it instantly screams AI. That's the wall creators keep hitting. Here's a solution. Imagine scrolling and seeing a camera diving through a storm-dark rainforest, whipping past trees, chasing a raft as whitewater explodes behind it. Or a massive sci-fi space battle, ships tearing apart in slow motion. You assume a studio shot it, but there was no camera, no set, no crew. And you realize it's just AI, and you can't tell.
Dreamina Seedance 2.0 just had its launch on Pippit, and it's the best AI video maker I have seen so far.
Now, if you've used AI video before, you know the pain that comes along with it. Characters look like wax. Motion collapses when things get fast. Backgrounds warp when the camera moves, and that unmistakable AI look kills the immersion. Seedance 2.0 is built to eliminate that. Textures actually feel alive. Skin actually looks natural. Fabric behaves like fabric, and motion stays stable even in chaos. Take a war scene, for example. Muddy trenches, explosions everywhere, smoke, panic, fast cuts between faces, fear, shock, dirt flying everywhere. Then slow motion through fire and debris, ending on a blast that wipes the frame to white. Normally, AI falls apart under that sort of pressure. Or extreme motion, a supernatural samurai blinking across a battlefield, slicing through enemies, anime-style speed, camera racing to keep up. That's where most models glitch hard. Seedance keeps everything clean. No distortion, no broken frames, and no melting details. And you're not just prompting, you're directing. Real camera language is built in. Push, pull, pan, tilt, orbit. You can describe movement, and it generates shots that look like a drone crew captured them on location. Stylized content works too. Think a cats versus dogs battlefield rendered like a high-end game trailer. Armored units, rocket launchers, dynamic third-person tracking camera, environmental interaction, all from text plus camera direction. But it's not just visuals, it understands storytelling. You can build emotional sequences where characters stay consistent across scenes. A soft office romance, a coffee spill, subtle glances, shared umbrella in the rain, music and pacing that actually support the moment. It keeps narrative flow, not just random clips. For commercial creators, this is huge. Product ads with realistic textures, cinematic lighting, detailed close-ups, full brand storytelling. Food ads, tech showcases, game trailers, all generated with professional polish. Inside Pippit, the workflow is simple. Write your prompt, choose style, define camera moves, generate. If you've been waiting for AI video to stop looking like AI, this is the moment. The plastic look is gone. Motion holds. Camera works real and feels real. Join the project and start directing your own scenes. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI tools and creator tech, and drop a comment with how you would use this in your own projects. Thank you all for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one.